Hi, thank you for clicking on my video. I hope you or someone on your team can gain some valuable insights and take some knowledge away from this video and implement it into your business right away. So without further ado, let's not waste any more time and let's just jump right in. In this video, I will be sharing you what I did to help my fitness client grow his online presence and ultimately grow his sales and amount of customers coming into his business. So first, let's talk about his business. His business is like any typical fitness studio. He offers more than 3 types of packages, ranging from 1-month membership to half a year membership to a full year membership, and there's a lot more. So with all these different packages, you also have to keep in mind that you have to create different types of promotions to back up all these packages when you want to promote them online. So this went kind of out of hand because with more than 5 packages that your business offers, you have to pinpoint which package fits for which group of customers and how do you say it in a way that gains their attention, that group of customers' attention. So this was really a lot of effort being put from the business owner's side. So this is where I come in. His problem was that he wasn't able to track his customers. He wouldn't be able to retarget those customers, and this is the reason why. So let's quickly go onto my screen here. What I want to show you is my client's website and my client's Facebook pixel. So what the Facebook pixel does is pretty much a line of code that you can install onto your website, and you can track people's behaviors or where they went to within your website. So for example, if I was on your website right now, this is my client's website. If I go to our workouts, I would know that this specific person, this individual, went to my homepage and then he went to my workouts, and then you can retarget them with a promotional offer that specifically talks about the workout. So let's check out the Facebook Pixel Helper. So what this can do, you can actually install this right now. What you can do is go to Google and you just type in Facebook Pixel Helper, and then you'll get this right here. It's a Google Chrome extension you can install if you're using Google Chrome as your web browser. And any website you go to, let's just go to a Nike website, for example. You'll see that Nike also has a Facebook Pixel, as you can see here. So this Pixel Helper really comes in handy because it helps you detect if you have pixels activated or not. And if you don't have it installed correctly, the Pixel will obviously tell you that you need to install it, reinstall it, and install it in a proper way. So with the Facebook Pixel installed onto your website, you as the business owner can now track any customers coming onto your website. So what this means for you is this: you can retarget different packages to different groups of customers. For example, if I came and bought the cheapest package, right? Let's just say it was $20. Now I want to make you, my customer, opt in for the more expensive package because you've been already coming to my gym for a month and you like the service that I provide. Why not pay more and stay longer? So then I could retarget this group of individuals, customers that only paid for the 1 month, and make them pay for the 2, 3, 4 months or even half a year program. So you're essentially making more money off this group of customers that weren't paying your business that much money. So if you want to learn more about this and how I can help your business implement Facebook pixels and run ads that actually generate sales for your business, feel free to click the link below. I think it will be around here somewhere. And you can book a call with me anytime you like, and we can hop on a Zoom call, a Skype video call, and I would love to take you through the process and tell you a lot more about myself and my business. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you later. Bye-bye.